Hi and welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm going to be vlogging. I'm vlogging this weekend. Me and Mom are actually getting ready to go out to dinner for like happy hour. I think we're gonna get Mexican food, margaritas, our fave. And then I'll probably vlog the rest of the weekend. I just got off work, so yeah, let's get into it. I just wanted to show you guys my little quick comfy outfit of the day. So I've got this white button up that I tied up. It's from H&M. I got these little kind of flowy pants. These are from Nordstrom Rack. And then I have my shoes. I got these from TJ Maxx, but they're from the brand Sam Edelman. And then I've got jewelry. The hoops and necklace is from Forever 21. Bracelet is from Amazon. So let's go. All right, I tried to take pictures and I almost got them, so.
So judgmental of yourself.
No, they just weren't all that cute. But we're gonna go eat Mexican food now and get margaritas.
Yeah.
Do y'all want some?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes, we do.
Cold brew. Iced coffee time. I'm FaceTiming Mom, you guys, and eating breakfast that I just showed you.
Administrator, I appreciate her responsiveness and authorizing the individual.
It's so good, Mom. My meal.
Yeah, it looks delicious.
So I've finally gotten up off the couch. So me and Mom are about to go to this new restaurant called the Underground Vegan. So I'm just wearing this jumpsuit that I got from Amazon. And then I'm just wearing these flip-flops from the brand Sam Edelman. And then here is my Michael Kors tote bag that I always carry. And then these sunglasses are from Forever 21. Okay, so here's what my office looks like now. I still have the desk from Amazon. Of course, my chair from Office Depot, like normal, that plant. But I put my Vision corkboard thing up there. It still has the same pictures from when I made it earlier this year. And then you turn over to this side, and I've moved the full-length mirror in here because I feel like it gives better lighting, and I just like it in here. Then as you turn, I've got my nice clothing rack. It's really big. I got this from Amazon, and it just has some clothes that I filmed reels and different things in, accessories. And then here's my closet. I'm gonna clean up the closet. I just had my friend Jasmine here, so I had to fold that up, so I need to just put it in the bag. But yeah, there's the closet. So I'll put like different cute outfits in here. And then this is the shelf from Wayfair that I think I showed you guys when I had all those packages. and I finally put it together. But I do still need to drill it into the wall. That's why I don't have that much stuff on there, because I don't want it to like mess up. But yeah, this is my office now. I really love it. Okay guys, so we're back from getting the underground vegan. So I drank my shake. I'll insert a picture because I forgot to show you guys when we were there. But we got a cookies and cream shake and then also a chocolate shake, all vegan. And then I'll show you guys the other stuff we got. So we got the 4 wings and fries, and then we also got the Philly steak fries. I think that's what they were called. So super excited to try it. First one. Oh wow.
Why is Lucky got a bone in it?
I don't know.
They could use a little more sauce,
Yeah.
which I of course have. That's not cauliflower.
I told you it probably wasn't cauliflower.
Oh, what is that?
It's pretty good.
That is pretty good.
I'm gonna try
That's actually pretty good.
the
On
Philly.
plate.
Sure, why not? I'm gonna have to use a
Give me a fork.
fork for this.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, does that taste like Philly cheesesteak?
does it?
I think so. Oh my god.
I think you need a little fork.
Doesn't it? You know it has to you because you thought that other burger had on.
That's real good.
That's really good. All right, guys, it's time for an Amazon try-on haul. Here is the first outfit. Super affordable. It's got pockets. It ties in the front. The material is really nice. I feel like it's super flattering. I really enjoy this. It is a little see-through, so you do have to wear the right undergarments, but as long as you wear the right undergarments, it's fine. So I love this. Next, we have this t-shirt dress. You guys know I love a good t-shirt dress. This one has pockets, which I really like. The material is pretty soft. It's not see-through. I really like it. They had it in lots of colors. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be one of my go-to dresses. So love it. It's this 2-piece set, which I love. I did want this to be a little bigger, but that's okay. I love the shorts. It's like a sweatpants material, but it's got pockets. I just really like it. I think it's super cute, super comfy, chill, nice outfit to wear. But yeah, I actually really like it, so. Next, we have this cute romper. I like it because you can dress it up or down. It's nice openings. You can wear it a little more open if you're going like out and stuff, or you can put like a pin in it and keep it closed. It's got pockets. I really, really like it, you guys. And yeah, I just like having a lot of basic pieces, and this is a perfect one to have. So, bodysuit, I really like it. It's like a smooth material. It's got a zipper in the back. It didn't zip it all the way, but that's okay. And then I have just this skirt that I got. I really like it. It's just like perfect for vacation. I like that this part, it makes you still have the high slit, but this keeps it from where you're not flashing people. So I really like that. I also like that it's lined so it's not see-through. So really, really like it. We have this jumpsuit, which is one of my favorites. If I was gonna dress this up, I would cover up the white piece and maybe put like a sparkly belt or a chain belt or something. Do it off the shoulder. You can do both arms off the shoulder if you don't put the button in the back, and then you can also wear it fully up so it's like a complete t-shirt. So I really like how versatile it is. It's super comfortable. The it has pockets. This is adjustable, so you can make it tighter to cinch in your waist, or you can loosen it, so that's super nice. The crop top is kind of structured, so it's almost like a corset top, but it's not super tight. So it's like a soft corset material almost. It does zip in the back, if you guys can see that. So I really like it. I actually could have gotten it a little smaller. I think I got a medium. And I also got some denim shorts. I've been having a hard time fitting a lot of my shorts and stuff, so I got these. I think I got them in a large, so I like that they're not too tight. They're super flattering. Of course, denim shorts, they got pockets, all that good stuff. They do have a little bit of stretch as well, which I like in my shorts. So yeah. Okay guys, last item is a swimsuit. I think it's super cute. I feel like it fits really well. I'm not gonna turn all the way around because I don't want to like be exposed, but I think it's super cute. The top has like this piece that you tie, so you can tie it any way that you want. So you can also untie it and wear the swimsuit almost like that, and then you can also tie it in a cute knot or however you want to and make it like this. So I really like it. It was a really affordable swimsuit. Both pieces came together. I think it was around $20 or so. So I really like it. That was the end of my Amazon try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Woohoo! Back to the vlog. I downloaded Hulu finally. I got me a Hulu account so I could watch the rest of Manifest. So I just finished that the other day and I was just like, oh my gosh, I needed Hulu so I could watch season 3. And now I really hope that it gets picked up by another network, since I think it was NBC is not going to do it anymore, because I enjoyed it. So now, since I have Hulu, I'm gonna watch Grey's Anatomy season 17, because that was the season I hadn't seen yet, the newest one. So here's my Hulu, and then I click, yep, Grey's Anatomy, that's what I'm gonna watch. Whew. I'm gonna get my makeup off. I decided to stop watching Grey's Anatomy because I'm not hungry, but I'm starting to have like food cravings. So like I really want to eat like a grilled cheese because I have that, and like I want to make like food, and so it's super like, it's almost, what time is it? It's 11:40, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go to sleep so I won't eat anything. I feel like that's what's best. Ooh, that burned. Whew, I guess my eye was open. I forgot to film myself saying goodbye, so I just wanted to hop on and say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.